Today we are going to discuss about the facial nerve, branches of facial nerve and course of the facial nerve. Facial nerve is the example of mixed cranial nerve, that is seventh cranial nerve. Other than the facial nerve, mixed cranial nerve, that is 5, 7, 9 and 10. How to remember the mixed cranial nerve, that is 5, 7, 9 and 10. The mnemonic is person. This is the mixed, and sensory, that is 128. Other than this sensory and mix, remaining is motor, that is 3, 4, 6, 11 and 12. This is the cranial nerve. Now the origin of the facial nerve की हम लोग बात करें. Facial nerve has the two type of the fibers. It originated from, this is the pons, this is the midbrain and this is the medulla oblongata. This is the pontomedullary junction. This is the what? Pontomedullary junction. Pontomedullary junction. Here the nucleus of seventh cranial nerve. These have the seventh cranial facial nerve has the two type of the fiber, that is motor fiber and other is sensory. Motor is thick and sensory fiber is thin fiber. Sensory fiber is thin fiber. Seventh cranial nerve make a turn around the 6, means abducens nucleus. Abducens nucleus के टर्न में एक राउंड लेता है, जिसको जो होता हम लोग इसको क्या कहते हैं? फेशियल कैलिकुलस. क्या कहते हैं? फेशियल कैलिकुलस. Make a turn known as facial calculus and making the notch facial calculus, and this is known as meatus. दोनों फाइबर्स सेंसरी और मोटर इंटरनल कॉस्टिक meatus में मिलने के बाद जस्ट इट रन टुवर्ड्स द टेम्पोरल थ्रू टेम्पोरल बोन एंड रीच टू द मिडिल ईयर. Reach to the middle ear. Middle ear has the two type of branches. Middle ear has the 6 face. It enter into the middle ear by the medial wall. That is the medial wall. Medial wall के थ्रू जो होता है फेशियल नर्व मिडिल ईयर में इंटर करता है एंड एग्जिस्ट अराउंड द पोस्टीरियर. गिव अदर ब्रांच नोन एज कॉर्डा टिम्पेनाई. नोन एज Chorda tympani. Before entering into the middle ear, here the make a notch known as external genu. That is the internal genu, that is the external genu. Also give a branch known as greater petrosal nerve. Greater petrosal nerve. And this chorda tympani goes towards the tongue. Goes towards the tongue and enter into the ganglia known as submandibular ganglia. Submandibular ganglia. Here the submandibular ganglia gives the branches to the submandibular gland and sublingual gland. Submandibular gland and sublingual gland. Submandibular gland and sublingual gland. This is known as this pathway from the origin to this chorda tympani with goes into the submandibular ganglia, give the branches to the submandibular gland and sublingual gland along with the lingual nerve controlled to the 2/3 of tongue. Chorda tympani along with the lingual nerve controlled to the 2/3 of the tongue. This pathway is known as salivatory pathway. Salivatory pathway. This pathway of facial nerve known as salivatory pathway. Known as salivatory pathway. And other, this is the greater petrosal nerve, and here the other branch is deep petrosal nerve, greater petrosal nerve and deep petrosal nerve. Greater petrosal nerve and deep petrosal nerve, deep petrosal nerve which run towards the इंटरनल कैरोटिड आर्टरी. इंटरनल कैरोटिड आर्टरी के राउंड अप में ये ऐसे राउंड अप करता रहता है. डीप पेट्रोसल नर्व विद द ग्रेटर पेट्रोसल नर्व इंटर इनटू द कैनाल नोन एज टेरिगॉइड कैनाल. टेरिगॉइड कैनाल. एंड बोथ नर्व here the nature is parasympathetic and deep petrosal nerve nature is the sympathetic. Both nerve meet into the pterygoid canal known as Wedian's nerve, also known as nerve of pterygoid canal, also known as nerve of pterygoid canal. Both nerve, greater petrosal nerve and deep petrosal nerve, enter into the pterygoid canal. After that, enter into the pterygopalatine ganglia. Enter into the pterygopalatine ganglia. Pterygopalatine ganglia में इंटर करने के बाद gives the branches to the first lacrimal gland, other gives to the nasal gland and pharyngeal gland. This pathway origin to this and external genu make the greater petrosal nerve and deep petrosal nerve known as Wedian's nerve pterygopalatine gives to the control to the lacrimal gland. This is known as lacrimetry pathway. This pathway is known as lacrimetry pathway of lacrimal gland pathway of the facial nerve. Two pathway, lacrimetry pathway, other is salivatory pathway. Other than this branch enter into the stylomastoid foramen. Enter into the stylomastoid foramen. Stylomastoid foramen से इंटर करने के बाद gives the two branches. First, stylohyoid muscles, other give to the posterior belly of digastric. After giving to the branch stylohyoid muscle and posterior belly of digastric, enter into the gland that is parotid gland. Here the parotid gland, we already know, gives the terminal branch that is temporal. Second is zygomatic. Third is buccal. Fourth is mandibular. Last is cervical. This is the complete pathway of the facial nerve. Everything, that is the branches of the facial nerve, course of the facial nerve, and where is supplied to the our face and body. Complete about the facial nerve.